How do I record my revenue and income in FreshBooks? Want to keep your books accurate? Here's how to record revenue and income in FreshBooks. So start by creating an invoice for your client. Head over to the Invoices tab, click on New Invoice at the top right, and then go ahead and fill in your client details into this section along with the tax. So add services, products, and amounts, and then when the client pays, click Add Payment, enter the amount, date, and method, and FreshBooks tracks this as income. For income without an invoice, go to Payments and add a new payment manually. Link your bank account. FreshBooks imports deposits automatically, which you can categorize as income. Categorize deposits under sales, services, or other income. These keeps reports accurate. Check the profit and loss report, and revenue and income entries appear under income. Recording revenue in FreshBooks is simple. Whether freelancing or running a business, your books stay tax ready and transparent. And that is how to record revenue and income in FreshBooks.